Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Style with Crochet. Today I am going to tell you how to make sunflower with crochet. So let's start. First of all, make magic ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 12 double crochet into the ring. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Close the ring, making a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochet in each chain. Into the next chain make 2 double crochet. In next chain 2 double crochet. I made 24 double crochet and close the ring, making a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 2. In the next chain make half double crochet. And again half double crochet into the same chain. In next make 1 half double crochet. In next chain make 2 half double crochet. In next chain 1 half double crochet. In next 2 half double crochet. Complete the round. Double crochet, 1 half double crochet, complete the round, making the slip stitch into the starting point and cut the thread. I will add another color key and make a single crochet into the same stitch. Next make single crochet. In next make single crochet. In next make single crochet. Next make single crochet and chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Into the same chain make single crochet. In next 3 chains make single crochet. In 3 single crochet into the 4th single crochet and then chain 5, 2 3 4 5. In the same chain make single crochet. In next 3 chains single crochet. Chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. In the same chain. In next 3 chains make single crochet. I completed my round. Close the ring making a slip stitch. Chain 1. Into the ring make 5 double crochet. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch. Again 5 double crochet into the ring. Chain and into the skip one chain into the next make slip stitch and into the ring again make 5 double crochet. Chain 2, make a slip stitch, again 5 double crochet into the same ring. Slip stitch. In this way complete the round. In next ring make 5 double crochet. Again 5 double crochet into the ring. flower is ready. So guys, I hope you will like this. It's very easy to make, but it's very interesting. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.